It's now 1:30. My Amazon package finally arrived that contains the pump and the USB buddy, because the other one just got kind of ruined over winter, so it's like tenner. I need to go fit that, and then I need to just get the bike out to make sure I've got everything packed, and then I can head off. And I want to be, I'm gonna motorbike there. Hopefully I make the ferry, and if I don't make the ferry, I'll camp somewhere else for the night in Scotland, and then take the ferry tomorrow and check out a day less, I guess. But yeah, see how this goes. Bit of a rush. Take that. I don't know what mode this is on, but it's quite cool. People lying down indoors though, I mean my boxers are wet and I'm a bit cold, and people are just spreading along like the 3 benches that are indoors, so it's kind of lame, but that's cool. I can see Ireland. I mean, I didn't realise how fucking close it was. I mean, I did, but you know, Ireland's there, and that's the western. That's Aaron's over there. You can't really see the silhouette much now, but that's where they get all of the stone for the curling on the ice. All comes from a little island over there. But no, it's cool. I've kind of got an idea where I'm going to camp. It's a beach on the west side of Ireland, Republic of Ireland, so I have to cross the border. It's, fuck knows man, it's a beach. I'll park the bike somewhere, take my kit down, set up a fire, have some ramen, crash, warm. I'm glad I took all my warm kit because it ain't warm. It's Baltic. Oh look, so this is the other line that's going to Belfast. I hope, and I'm not on that other one, but is that whole thing they recorded? Oh, for fuck's sake. Quick overview of the bike, because I couldn't really show you before. In there we have food, it's just noodles. And then in there we have the tech, which is just like the puncture repair kit, the new pump, batteries, torches. In there we got the sleeping, which is just the Stratosphere bivvy bag from Snugpack, the sleeping bag from Snugpack, and then the tarp from Snugpack. And in my backpack I just got warm clothes, like merino wool stuff. Ireland's like Scotland, I believe, and It's just cold all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna head out to the beach now. We've got an hour 29 until I'm at my camp, which I've decided this year. But aye, it's bonny. A lot of fields with trees in between, agriculture. Don't know what else to say. See you soon. I'm 60 minutes away from the fuel station and I've got like 2 bars left to fuel, so I'm kind of having to like just get somewhere on this road. We'll just bail on that initial spot. Just go straight to the second one in the morning. See what else you can find. I mean, it's beautiful. There's so much woodland there. So much wild woodland. You just kind of get to it. There's a wee hut in there. Do I want to sleep in there? I don't think I do. Let's get the torch and have a look. Because I mean, I don't need to take the basher out, you know what I mean? Alright, have a look. Oh, you fucker. Hello. Any hobos in here? I could sleep in here. Couldn't I? No. Well, okay, actually no, this is a bit fucking spooky even for me. I don't know if I want to... I mean, this floor is sketchy. I wonder how old this is. I mean, that's fucked. I don't know what that is, but I hate that. And I have no balls to go upstairs because that this is too spooky. Absolutely fucking not going to camp in a spooky house. That one looks alright. Oh, I'm not going. Is that livestock? Is that a rock? It's a rock. Is there livestock in here? Yeah, I'm not going anywhere that has that. I want to go in the woods, bro. Alright. I think this is my gaff. There's a cemetery there. That's nobody in there. There's nobody over there. I can just put the tarp down and vibe. I'm fucking tired though. The fuck happened there? Nice. This is where I'll be. I'm just gonna put the tarp down, put the basher under, even fuck a basher and just put the thing in. Yep, ideal. And the grund is good as well. So I'm gonna do this and then chill. Oh, I don't think you'll be able to see me. I look like a crazy person, but yeah, the setup probably best to show in the morning, but because everything's in its own waterproof bag, I don't need to worry about anything else. So on that note, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Not even hungry anymore. I had a cake. Oh, good morning. It was an okay sleep apart from the ants that got into my fucking sleeping bag and bit my ear. And it was swollen. And now the midges are out. So this needs to be packed in like 5 minutes or I'm gonna lose my shit. Get some food, have a Red Bull, crack on. It was an okay sleep. I woke up a few times, but the stars were out and that was sick. You could see all the stars and it was Orion's belt. That's right, midges are already killing me. Let's go. I've moved the GoPro mount to a different angle because I just reviewed some of the footage and it's not looking where I'm looking. So hopefully this is better, and if it's not, then it is what it is. Oh man. I know this isn't the same camera as the GoPro, but it's another abandoned gaff. It's for sale apparently. It's quite cool. There's still these places just kicking about. Tried to get in the back there, but it's just so full. Like, it's got glass and everything. Ferns growing in. Old farmhouse. Aye. It's nice around here. I think there's a lake there, and what I'm doing is the North Atlantic Way. No tractor in there as well. And an abandoned caravan. There's a bike in there as well. Oh, rope or something. Well, kind of cool. So I'm gonna head back to Larne, go by Belfast and maybe check out the Titanic Museum, depending how I feel. I'm just kind of enjoying the ride, to be honest. Only stopping off at little gas like this just for fun, stretch my legs, have a Red Bull. And yeah, that's honestly, the roads kind of remind me of America. There's a weird American vibe about like the Republic of Ireland that I've noticed, and I don't know what it is. It's like the white picket fence, green grass, completely detached house, huge houses. It's like they're all farmers, I think. So, and not only that, if you're not a farmer, it's like you want to be a farmer because Abdi's cutting their fucking grass. But yeah, we're looking good. I actually think I'm low on coolant, but otherwise the bike's feeling great. I need a smaller sleeping bag, but easy done. Right, let's hit the road. Okay, I'm gonna go back on the 2 o'clock ferry, meaning it was exactly 24 hours. Which I'm kind of here for that, honestly, because I can, so I'm gonna do it. Gonna see it. Get more fuel and I should be good.